I think I messed up. Why do we cough again? Oh right, let's figure it out. So you're chilling. And suddenly a cough attack. Annoying, right? But actually it's your body's superhero move. Coughing is like your lungs going all clean up on aisle 5. See, when dust, smoke, or germs sneak in, your body hits the big red emergency button. Your brain sends a cough now text, and bam! Air zooms out at 50 miles per hour. That's faster than a speeding car. Why so dramatic? Well, it's your body's way of clearing the airway. Like a bouncer kicking out troublemakers. No one likes a party crasher, but hey, if you're coughing too much, and it's not just from bad jokes, maybe it's time to see a doc. Your body might need backup. Now you know. Coughing, annoying but kinda awesome. Stay curious and keep those lungs happy. Catch you next time.